How to turn off automatic billing on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can turn off automatic billing on Facebook app. So let's dive in. So first open your Facebook account and click these three lines over here that says menu on the bottom right corner, and then click the settings gear on the top right corner. Now scroll through and find this option that says payments and click add payments. And then it's going to bring you to this page that says billing and payments, and now you have to scroll through and click this go to help center, and it's going to take you to this page over here. Now scroll through and then you have to click this option that says get support, and then you have to scroll through and click no over here. Now it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click other, and now it's going to give you this box over here, and you have to type in your problem over here. So you have to type, I want to turn off automatic billing on my Facebook account, please help. And then you have to click submit over here, and then the Facebook help support is going to help you just turn off the automatic billing on your Facebook account. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.